Why do you do this to me?
There's gonna be a whole section of Tracy Eats on YouTube.
He has Tracy Eats Jello, Tracy Eats Pie.
Tracy Eats Brownies. You better get a fucking plate.
That's just hers.
So mad.
You asshole, dude.
You're so mad on that picture.
I love you too.
Bye, big gay.
Bye, baby.
Oh, quit filming me while I'm eating.
Yeah, do it. Yum. You did it? Eat it.
Oh, oh my God, what's that?
I'm making